We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can crossfade on Apple Music. So, in order for you to enable the crossfade feature on an iPhone, you will need to launch the system settings. Here find the Apple Music category or Apple Music section here, or just music to be exact. Then switch on the crossfade toggle. As simple as that. And now you can adjust the crossfade delay here, of course. If you have an Android phone or system in general, just launch the Apple Music app. Then go into your settings, crossfade, and either set it to automatic mode or manual. Both modes mean that the crossfade will be enabled. In manual, you just manually set the delay of the crossfade, or you can switch it off if needed. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.